What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and the Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, we got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is on educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. Sure. Let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what to do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero, you ready to be a family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get them notifications, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win. All right. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about auto loans, bad credit auto loans. And it's a lot of people out there looking to get cars. There's a lot of people out there looking to who needs cars. So there's a lot of people out there who want to get cars, but they just don't know where to go to get the right financing. There's a lot of people out there that need cars, got money, don't got jobs, so they ain't got the right documentations. It's a lot of different situations that's going on when it comes to getting cars, and a lot of people need help getting cars. So in today's video, I'm gonna drop some gems for y'all because it's not as hard as people actually think it is to get or to finance a car. Now the problem is people finance cars and they not really in the position that they need to be in to be financing no car. So they mess up and do a lot of different things. Life happens, right? So when it comes to financing cars with bad credit, you got to understand this right here first of all. A lot of people don't know that you can get an auto loan from any bank that you want to get one from. A lot of people think that you have to get the loans that use the banks that the dealership offers you for for the loan. Now, when dealerships what okay, let me break it to you down like this. What dealerships do is they have you fill out this piece of paper. They take that information, SSN number, social security number, all that, and they put it in the system and they shoot out your application to different banks and auto lenders, and whichever auto lender accepts your application, they'll tell you what you need to get the loan. So when they do that process, those credit bureaus, I mean those auto places, all of them are running your credit score. So you're gonna have multiple hard inquiries on your credit profile due to them running your credit score. Once they find the banks that will work with your credit profile, they'll tell you like, okay, this bank will work with you, this bank, this bank, this bank. These are their rates, blah 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 blah. Now a lot of people don't know that you can actually go to your own bank and get an auto loan. So just say you got a you banking with a credit union or a smaller bank and they offer auto loans. You can get an auto loan through them. And what they'll do is they'll cut you a check, and however much that the check is for, you'll write that price into the box and pay for the car. Now, this is what people got to understand when it comes to getting auto loans. If you are somebody who has never had an auto loan before on your credit profile, you have to understand that they're not going to lend you no more than $40,000-$50,000 for a car because you have not shown and proved that you can manage money auto loans. So you're at tier one. Now there are certain banks that will approve you, and you won't need any type of check stubs. any bank statements, none of that. They approve you. All you need is down payment. And I got a bank that will work with anybody, anywhere with these requirements. And I'll talk about that bank at the end of the video. But they'll lend you $40,000 to $50,000. No check stubs, no documentations, just down payment. You can go through them. And this is for anybody out there who's looking to get an auto loan, who's looking to start financing, start improving their credit profiles. This is for you. I got y'all. No gatekeeping. So they'll finance you, no bank statements, no documentations, just down payment. Now, understanding this right here, there's something called refinancing. And when you refinance, you get better rates, cheaper rates, and you might also now also let me go back a little bit. Some banks might give you the opportunity to make payments, no payment until 30, 45 days, maybe 60 days. And when you refinance, you might have the same option. So if you refinance and they give you the option, that option, then you good to go. Now you got cheaper rates. Now you don't got to make payments for a month and a half. So now you good to go. When you refinance, it reports to your credit profile as a paid off auto loan. So it will report as you paid off the auto loan, and now you have a new auto loan. And once it reports as a paid off auto loan, you will now jump tier 1 to tier 2, which means you now qualify for higher funding amounts for auto loans. And once you pay off the auto loan that you're paying on, you go to tier 3, which means you'll be qualified for even higher funding for auto loans, which will help someone if they are looking to start a luxury car rental service business and you looking to utilize their personal credit as a personal guarantor, which will potentially help them start getting auto loans and with no down payments. These loopholes, credit loopholes, is what's helping a lot of Americans today get the things that they need. And a lot of people don't give this information out. There's a lot of people out there not talking about these type of banks or talking about these type of programs or these places. They all talk about the wrong things. And me, I tell y'all all the time, I keep it raw and I keep it uncut. I'm not going to sell y'all no dream. I'm not going to be on here with diamonds and jewelry, $100,000 worth of clothes and jewelry, trying to make it seem like when you got money, you got to dress like that. Like, no, you ain't got to do all that. Because at the end of the day, money come and go. And you never know what the next day holds. So being smart with your revenue, with your funds, money, managing your money the right way will keep you in the game longer. Longevity. And a lot of people don't understand that. So $50,000 auto loans, no docs, global lending services, they will help you with funding, getting approved for auto loans with bad credit and only a down payment. Go check them out, global lending services. If you are somebody who's looking to get any type of lending for an auto loan, and start your journey to improving and building your credit profile the right way. All right, so make sure you guys go check them out. Make sure you guys are hearing me what I'm saying. You don't always got to go through the dealerships, banks that they offer you. You can go through your own bank, and I just gave you a bank, so you ain't got to have so many hard inquiries ran on your credit profile. You already got the bank. You already approved. You already ready to go. You already got the check. You just got to pick the car, fill the amount out, and go from there. All right, so Global Lending Services, check them out. Solutions is either solutions or services, but go check them out, GLS, and see what they can do for you. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there is tired of being broke because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one limited gyms are $1,000. But for limited time only, I am doing them for 600. Yes, 600 cash app or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your cash app or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right. No screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions. No 21 questions, and please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the webinars Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. 10 seats, 250 each section. Make sure y'all book y'all seat on the crypto tour in person, limited gyms, 3,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money in person. Make sure y'all book y'all seat on the month long mentorship, 2,500, 30 days. Anything you need help with, let's get to work. Make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App, Millionaire Network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameraman, women, gaming streamers, and content creators. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the all notification bell on my YouTube channels, my Twitches, my IGs, my TikToks. Got multiple IGs and YouTube channels, so make sure y'all subscribing and following and liking and doing all that good stuff on all of those. Make sure y'all checking out the crypto world because it's changing people's lives. And with that being said, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson, video, or live. Peace.